After the time of the Prophet ﷺ, khalas, there's no more prophets, no more messengers. How this message is going to continue to exist? Unless people like you and I commit to it and make their life according to it. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to the Prophet ﷺ, قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Tell them, Ya Muhammad, that my salah and my nusuk, my prayers and my acts of sacrifice, my life and my death, which is I commit everything to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, lillahi rabbil alameen. And if we're not there to commit to the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who's going to do this? My message to you, my dear brothers and sisters, before we leave this place, make some commitment today. What are things that you believe I've been doing and they're wrong? And I know they're wrong. But I'm just depending on Allah's mercy. How many of us do these things and say, you know what, I need to commit. Stay away from this. How many things I know I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm not doing? I'm not making commitment to the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on this matter. Just commit one thing. Just one thing. Start with one thing after this khutbah. And begin one step at a time, inshallah, tabaraka wa ta'ala. May Allah make us all true to this faith, ya Rabbil Alameen.